Hello, in today's video we're going to be doing an orchid unboxing from LAOrchidJohn. So this is actually an orchid, or I guess more generally a genus that I've been particularly interested in. And I've actually had one of the species of this genus before. I had Gastrochyllus belinus from Cereal Orchids, but that one was grown mounted, and I tried to grow it. I tried to like transition it into moss and bark, and it died. So this one seems to be a little bit more established, at least from the photos that I saw on the eBay page, and it just seems a little bit more mature than the belinus that I had. So hopefully, take out the packing slip. So hopefully this one will do better for me, and actually I'm hoping that this one will be in bloom because I think there were 2 of these available on the listing, and the listing photo had one of them in bloom. Okay, so here it is. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm receiving another orchid tomorrow, so I think I'm just gonna like put them together and like make this a little haul or something. But we'll see when the video comes out if I choose to do them separately or just put them all together in one. But generally my shorter videos, which I don't really like to do, but generally the shorter videos get more views and have more viewer retention and stuff like that. I don't know if there's any blooms on this one. Let's see what she looks like. I'm at least glad that this one's in a pot and not mounted on anything. So here it is. This is Gastrochyllus japonicus. Oh, and I guess it was in bloom, but the flowers have dropped. And it looks... Get some light in there. Oops, sorry about that. It looks fairly healthy. I wonder if I can just like... I don't know, I'm kind of like, not low expectation, but low requirement of my orchids. It does look a little bit, oops, sorry. It does look a little bit stressed, but it does have at least like 3 good roots, and I'm seeing like, oops, there's this one right here that I'm seeing. So let me clear all this off and then... Okay, and we're back. So let me show you the tag for those of you who aren't familiar with this orchid, although it's fairly popular. This is Gastrochyllus japonicus, and as you can see, it's a miniature orchid. Usually it's a little bit more plump than this, but I guess because it's summertime and it's been shipped all over this way and that way, well, more specifically from Louisiana to California, it's probably a little bit stressed. So let's get into the root system. What is that? Well, you got some mycelium, I guess is what you call it. There's some fungus in there. Not all fungus is bad fungus. It just means that it's been kept wet. So I'm not super concerned about this. But I do think I am going to repot this just to be safe, because it looks kind of crazy in there. Is that spider? No, it's definitely like mycelium and stuff like that. Yeah, so she's not the perkiest girl I've ever seen. But definitely with a few weeks of consistent watering and a little bit of fertilizer should help her bounce right back. So this has been my orchid unboxing of Gastrochyllus japonicus from Louisiana Orchids. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.